Next on Rendezvous Counter, we have a model, a national model who walks the ramp like a dream. And the best part is she lives in it. Let's meet model Akshi Khare and see what she has to share to Page 3.
Hi, I'm Akshi Khare. I'm from Mumbai. Fashion is all about like whatever you wear, you have to know how to carry that. You know, it's like it's all your body language, your expression is just like it's make you like a perfect. We go all over the world and we just have fun, and it's just like few hours work and we are free. I love that because we need to get time to roaming around the world and see the different places. That's I like it. It is really easy if you are doing in a right way. You know how to approach the people. You should groom yourself every day, every second. Nobody is perfect in this industry, of course. So you just learn everything and just keep going. People really appreciate us like Indian model. I'm little upset in India. They prefer Firang models. But if you go outside, they really love us. Our skin, our body language, our expression and our face and feature, they love it. They really like it. They really like the Indian models, which in here, like in India, it's a little bit lesser, but still we keep working. In this industry, no compromise, trust me, it's all about you. If you really want someone, if you really like someone, you can go and do whatever you want to do. But it's nothing like you have to do compromise, because there's like lots of models who's doing good work in this industry. Trust me, this industry, I find it's like clear one. It's so clear. It's up to you. If you want to go that way or if you want to go the right way, that's your choice.